Pakistan judicial landscape saw a seismic shift today as Justice Aminuddin Khan was sworn in as the country's first Chief Justice of the newly established Federal Constitution Court. The oath-taking ceremony held at the Aiwan-i-Saddar in Islamabad was attended by the country's top political and judicial leadership, including President Asif Ali Zardari, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Pakistan People's Party Chairman Bilawal Bhutto-Zardari, Senate Chairman Yousuf Raza Gillani, National Assembly Speaker Ayaz, Sadiq, and Chief Justice of Pakistan Yahya Afridi. Later today, Justice Aminuddin is expected to proceed to the Islamabad High Court for the oath-taking of 6 additional FCC judges, including Justice Syed, Hasan, Azhar, Rizvi, Justice Musarrat Hilali, Justice Aamer Farooq, Justice Ali Baqar Najafi, Justice Agha, and Balochistan High Court Chief Justice Rozi Khan Barrech. The ceremony followed the enactment of the 27th constitutional amendment just a day earlier. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court is facing deep internal turmoil. Responding to a series of urgent letters from fellow judges, Chief Justice Yahya Afridi has convened an emergent full court meeting today to examine the far-reaching implications of the 27th Amendment. Justice Alauddin Panwar became the third judge to demand a full court, warning that the amendment could upend the constitutional balance, affect judicial tenure, and undermine the court's administrative and financial independence. Within hours of the amendment coming into force, the judiciary was rocked by multiple high-profile resignations. Senior Basin Judge Justice Mansoor Ali Shah and Justice Athar Minallah stepped down, calling the amendment a grave assault on the constitution and accusing the government and the Supreme Court's current leadership of facilitating an executive takeover of judicial powers. Justice Shah wrote that the amendment dismantles the Supreme Court, reduces it to an appellate body stripped of constitutional jurisdiction, and allows the executive to curate and control a constitutional court of its own choosing. Justice Minallah echoed the concerns, saying he could not pretend that the constitutional order had survived intact. Their departures were soon followed by the resignation of Senior Counsel Makhdoom Ali Khan from the Law and Justice Commission, who said the amendment had sunk the ship of judicial independence. Amid this upheaval, signs of further instability are emerging. At least 2 judges of the Islamabad High Court have hinted they may no longer be available to hear cases from next month, remarks seen against widespread speculation of impending judicial transfers under the 27th Amendment. The law now allows the transfer of High Court judges without their consent, sparking concern within the bench. Justice Mohsin Akhtar Qayani, during a hearing on Thursday, remarked that another judge might be presiding in his place by early December. A day earlier, Justice Aman Rafat Imtiaz offered similar comments, noting her bench may not be available next month. Transfers are expected to begin with the Islamabad High Court before moving to other provinces, deepening uncertainty within an already divided judiciary.